This is in continuation of our previous video. Join us on a thrilling adventure as we continue our exploration of the incredible world of dinosaurs at the Naturalis Museum. If you haven't seen the previous video yet, be sure to click the card and discover a whole new world of prehistoric wonder. Now imagine binge watching dinosaur videos and getting so lost in time that you accidentally end up in the Jurassic period. You'll finally be able to settle that T-Rex versus Velociraptor debate in person. So what am I waiting for? Let's go!
Beste tijdreis.
It's in Dutch.
Hoor je eens dat? Over 1 minuut.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Is dat misschien een prins of een apart?
Als een mannetje haar pad kruist, op zoek naar een partner, heeft hij duidelijk haar aandacht.
Even een rondedansje.
De paring bij T-Rex ging er niet bepaald zachtzinnig aan toe. Het mannetje houdt haar met zijn krachtige bek tot bloedens toe beet.
Dat is een bepaald zacht kusje, wel. Er zijn kinderen bij. Oeps. Attentie, meteorietenkruising. Coördinatencheck uit.
Ja, wacht even. Zag je dat dan? Sluit de ventilatietrap.
Attentie, meteorietenkruising. Coördinatencheck uit.
Nee, niet die. Lieve mensen, alles is volledig onder controle. Wat een jaar was altijd een lastig stuk. Dit is absoluut totaal geen reden voor paniek. Maar nu is Tori vast.
It's time to light them up. Let's go!
Koers altitude in gehalveerd. Alarmfase rood. Zoek en activeer portals. Explosiegevaar.
Zo wil ik niet horen. Oké? Go!
Well. Look who just got transported back in time to the land of dinosaurs. Let's hope T-Rex is feeling friendly today. This is gonna be one dynamite adventure.
Dat was snacks. Oké, we moeten nu die portalbox vinden, anders zijn we echt snacks. Blijf dicht bij elkaar. Oké, kom. Kom. Ik ben los. Kom nou. Oké, kom. Kom nou, alsjeblieft. zit er tussen zoveel mogelijk gekregen. Nooddeur. Mensen achter je, kom dichterbij. Kom dan dichterbij. Laat je man nog heel even dragen, oké? Yes! We did it! Kom! Naar binnen allemaal! Kom!
Like to save yourselves, like. Yes, we are alive. We are alive, yes. अच्छा experience 2 euro.
बच्चों तो इसमें चुप हो गए थे बच्चों का डर कम हो गया मेरी वजह से चिंती अगर बोले तो डर हो
Dude, this is huge. That's T-Rex. Finally, he found his love. But to be more precise, his childhood love. T-Rex was one of the largest land carnivores of all time. And they had massive bone-crushing teeth. They had an incredible sense of smell, of course. And it's a female. Just like me. Injured female. Size to scale. This is the scale. This is... OMG.
Even the tail was not completely healthy.
Injured. Of course they are dead, so they will be injured, right? T-Rex was a skilled hunter They were fast runner, it was likely covered in feathers, it had a long lifespan, like up to 30 years or more. They have been found in North America, Asia, even Antarctica. But right now, we are in the Netherlands. It's quite huge. T-Rex may have been able to hear low-frequency sounds, such as the low-pitched calls of other dinosaurs. T-Rex became a popular symbol of masculinity and aggression, with references to the dinosaurs appearing everything from advertisements to political campaigns.
Now see which hole on the front of the tooth.
Large teeth is there, yeah. There's a hole. It is not a nostril. Serious infection. Where is it? Near the nostril, this one. They say it's not a nostril, it's an injury.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
The front.
Yes.
That hole is due to an infection.
Everything else is fine, but what is this? This is poop of T-Rex. How was your T-Rex experience?
How was your T-Rex?
How was your T-Rex experience?
It was good. It was wonderful.
was-
I got to travel through a wormhole,
I
face a T-Rex from close, and
Yes.
then an asteroid saved us.
I don't know what saved us suddenly. We were saved.
We were saved.
We were saved. Oh my god, what is it? Oh my god, it's coming. I think we got trapped.
Again.
I think dinosaurs are back again and I need to hide in the woods. Feel free to continue watching the rest of the video without my inputs. You will find out what we spoke with the paleontologist about. Just in case I survive, I hope to see you guys again.
Are these real fossils?
They're all real. Yeah.
Even the dinosaur ones?
Dinosaur are all also, most of them are real. Yes.
So don't you need to preserve them somewhere? They are kept in the normal environment, right?
Yeah, it's climatized.
It's kind
Yeah.
of okay.
These are all vertebrates.
They are on the back. Yeah.
These are from bears. These are from the mammoth.
These are
wolves.
from mammoths.
Okay. These are deers.
These.
Okay.
These are mammoths.
Mammoths. Okay.
They become like stones.
Yeah, they look like rocks.
Yeah. What is this part?
What do you think?
What do you think?
Can you make a guess?
Is it patella like here, right?
Yes. It's from a mammoth.
Okay.
And this is the same, but from a deer.
From a deer, small
Yeah.
ones.
You see it while it's flat
Right.
on two sides, and then you can see that on both sides. there are
Articulation
bones.
happens. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. What might be this
That's a difficult one.
difficult one? But
from
they're
the
very
face, jaw?
small jaw
This is from a deer,
from a deer.
and this is a heel bone.
Heel bone. Yeah.
Heel bone.
That's right. Yeah, that's what
Okay.
And this is the heel bone of a mammoth.
Okay.
it is. The hooves. Yeah. Something like this. Probably. No. Yeah. This must be the joint.
Very difficult. It looks like near the ribs.
Rib cage? No.
Hip.
It's too heavy.
Yeah. I get. Where should it be? Should be at the bottom because
No, you
heavy
look-
body and
You look much too low.
What's happening with the
The
grinding?
joints, the knee joints. Okay, jaw.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Teeth of a mammoth.
These are teeth?
Yeah,
The tooth?
yeah,
Is this a tooth?
yeah.
I'm amazed.
it's too, yeah, and too heavy.
This is a tooth.
Well, you are a human dentist.
What kind of dentist they must have had? Okay. Interesting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.